Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to be showing you some of my favorite lazy girl hairstyles that I like to use throughout the week. So for this first style we're going to start by parting our hair on the side, brushing everything smooth to a low side ponytail. I'm going to split that ponytail into two sections and twist them around each other. And we are going to pull those sections apart just to create a little bit more volume. Now we are going to wrap this all up into a bun and pin in place. I like to add a cute little hat just to spice it up. With this next style, we're going to start by parting down the center. We are then going to section from the top of the head to the top of the ear, and you are going to repeat that on the other side. And clipping away that back section. Now starting with one of the sides in the front, we are going to split that into 3 equal sections. I'm using small little elastics to tie these sections off, making sure that I'm not tying them too tight so it doesn't pull and snag on the hair. And you are going to repeat that on the other side. Once you're happy with that, you can release your back section and fluff it up how you like. Now it's time to add some butterfly clips. These are a fun little accessory to spice up your look. For this style, we are going to start by sectioning the hair in half. We are then going to section from the top of the head to the top of the ear, and you are going to repeat that on the other side, pinning everything in the back out of the way. Now with those 2 front sections, we are going to brush everything really nice and smooth. You can use a couple of clips to kind of pin each section while you're smoothing out the other one. I like to then take the 2 sections in the back of the head, twist them or braid them around each other just to keep them really nice and tight. Then using a small little elastic, tying it at the base of the neck. Use your favorite hairspray and a boar bristle brush to really smooth everything out. If you have any face framing pieces, I like to bobby pin it right behind the ears just to keep everything in place. Now you can let down that back section. I like to add a little bit of back combing to create some volume. It's giving me like 70s vibes. I'm loving it. For this fun little ponytail, we are going to leave out pieces all around the front. Kind of think of creating a teardrop shape as you section the hair. Once I'm done securing the hair, I'm gently going to tug at the top just to create a little bit of height because we don't want our ponytails to look flat. Now starting on the right side that is left out, I'm going to split that into 2 sections. I'm going to take the bottom section, wrap it up over the ponytail, and then wrap it around underneath and bobby pin in place. I'm going to do the same thing on the left side, taking the bottom section, wrapping it over the ponytail, and pinning it underneath. We're going to repeat that again on the right side, this time using that remaining top section, over the ponytail, pinning it underneath. And doing the same thing with that last section. This creates a little bit of a crisscross pattern above your elastic, which just adds a bit of character to your ponytail. For this look, we are going to split the hair all the way down the center into 2 equal sections. We are going to create 2 pigtails with these sections. This is kind of up to you. You can have high ponytails, low ponytails. This look will look amazing either way. I like to leave out some pieces around the face. Make sure that your ponytails are nice and evenly spaced. Once you're happy with them, spray them with some hairspray. Braid each ponytail all the way down. You can secure it with an elastic if you'd like. I like to also fluff up each braid just to create a little bit more volume. Wrap that braid into a bun and pin in place. And repeat that on the other side. For this section, we are going to start off with the very far side part and then sectioning that behind the ear to create a little square. Pin everything else up and out of your way. You are then going to start by taking that top corner and splitting that into 3 sections. By braiding under and gathering hair as we go, we are going to create a Dutch braid. Depending on how much time I have in the morning, I will stop the braid either right behind the ear and pin in place, or I will braid all the way down like I am today. And don't forget to fluff up that braid again just to make sure it looks nice and full. Once you're happy with how the braid looks, secure it with a tiny elastic. For the rest of the hair, I like to make it really big, so I'm backcombing the top sections. I like to do this style when my hair has some sort of texture to it, whether it's away from a curling iron or I've used my triple barrel. I love this on my natural curl too. I find the bigger the hair, the better it looks. For this super simple style, we are going to take all our hair and put it in a super high ponytail. We don't have to worry about brushing and making sure that this ponytail is smooth, as we will be covering it up. I like to lightly back brush the hair, and I say lightly because we don't want to cause damage. And then wrap that hair into a beautiful, big, fluffy bun. Taking your bandana and folding it to a triangle, I'm going to fold that base as well, just to give me a little bit more structure. Tying the bandana in the front. I am then going to take that top corner and flip it in on itself and tuck it away. Once I'm happy with how it's looking, then I'll secure the knot in the front. Don't forget those hoop earrings. She's a look. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment. See you in the next video.